Removing and replacing front bumper covers can be frustrating, but with a good plan and some handy tips, that job can be a lot easier. If you're replacing the front bumper cover, it's always a good idea to check out the new one to see where the fasteners are located. On this one, we have 2 on the bottom, 1 in the wheel well, 2 on the fender, a couple under the headlight, and some across the middle here, and the same is on the other side. To begin this job, we're going to remove the headlights and the grille. On today's cars, you're going to see a lot of fasteners like this, plastic or nylon push pins, and a lot of times they get broken or damaged. So it's a good idea to have a kit like this to replace them, and this you can get for about 15 or 16 bucks on Amazon or eBay. This grille is attached to the bumper cover and it goes on and off with the bumper cover. So we're going to remove this guy, this guy, this, and this. There's a couple missing right here, and the way to remove these is to take this, well, this guy's supposed to unscrew, and if it doesn't, you can use a tool like this and get under that screw a bit and just pop that screw up like that, and then you can get under the clip and take that guy off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to remove just like that. Now I'll do one more here. You pop, this can unscrew or pop up, and then the clip pops out. Next, we'll remove these 2 fasteners from underneath. To remove the 2 bolts on the sides, we're going to take out this screw in the wheel well, and then we're going to pull back the plastic wheel well shield like this, and we're going to hold that out of the way with a bungee cord so that it's not, super frustrating. I'm just going to put a clamp right here, and we'll just pull that thing out of the way. And then we can reach these bolts up in here. And a lot of times they're rusted, and if they are, you're going to have to work them back and forth because you don't want to break. There's a little bracket in here. You don't want to break those bolts off on the bracket. And that's one side. And now for the other side, we got 2 up here. New bumper covers often come with new brackets. If it didn't, or if you're replacing your bumper cover with a used one and the bolts got snapped off at the junkyard, at this point you'll be happy you took the time and you had the patience to save your old brackets. The installation of the bumper cover is just a reversal of the removal process. And incidentally, the masking tape was put on the grille before I attached it to the bumper because I like to paint the covers after they're installed to eliminate any chances of scratching it. As you can see, I used some new push pins across the front, which makes it look a lot nicer and makes your job a lot more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this video on the removal and replacement of bumper covers, and if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.